Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my dear students. How are you, kids? I hope you all are fine and safe at your place. Alhamdulillah. So, my dear students, welcome back to our online classes for second standard students. So, my dear students, in our previous class, we have completed these activities. We have written some parts of plants name, and we have observed the size of plants and color of the plants. And do you know, students, we already learned that the small plants are called herbs and big plants are called trees. We already listened that. Now open the page at 28 and see there. Let's start here. Read with me. Put your finger. Observe carefully. The plants of bitter gourd, grapes and snake gourd, do they look like trees or herbs? If no, then what do we call them? So children, here some small plants are called herbs and big plants are called trees, isn't it? But what do we call the plant of grape, bitter gourd and snake gourd? They don't look like herbs and trees, right? So what do we call them? Do you know? The plants which do not look like trees or herbs is called climber. Understood, children? The plants which have weak stem and which need support to grow, it's called climber. So for these plants we called climber. Okay. You might have listened to elders at home talking about bitter gourd creeper and grapevine and pumpkin creeper. Don't these have thin and long stem? Creepers need support to grow. Creepers grow on the land. Climber climb up with some support onto trees, houses, roofs, etc. So students, simply see this. These are the creepers. Pumpkin creepers and watermelon creepers. Creepers means what? It grow along the ground. Okay, it grow along the ground. See this? These are the creepers. Okay. Now, these are the climbers. Climbers means what, student? The plant which have weak stem. The stem of these plants are very weak and which need support to grow. It called climber. Wait. And these are the herbs. Herb means what? Small plants. These are the small plants which collected together plant. Okay. These are also the herbs. And here the big and tall plants are called trees. For example, banyan tree, apple tree, pear tree, mango tree, papaya tree. These are the trees. The plant which big and tall, it's called as trees. And small plants are called herbs. And the plants which climb up and which need support to grow, which have weak stem, it called climbers. And the creepers means what? It grow along the ground. They are called creepers. Okay. Hope you understood very well. Now see here. Observe the shape of the trunk of the plant and trees in the given picture. Are they the same? So the plant, some plants are there. You can see that coconut tree here, mango tree, papaya, banana, and here grapevine and the watermelon. The shape and size of trunk of these plants are different. So here shape and size of plants are different from one another. All trees have a different size, have a different shape and have a different color. So here main theme is what? The shape and size of these plants are different from one another. Understood, children? Do you understood this? I hope you understood very well. Now for your homework, turn your page and see there. Here one activity is there, so you have to write this in your notebook, but I'll explain you. Write the names of plants you have seen under the following groups. So here you have to write some plants name by following groups. So here plant section, these are the 3 sections are given here. First one, plant section, trees and climber and creepers. We already learned that, isn't it? So here we have to write here 5 plants name, 5 trees name and 5 climbers name. You already learned that. So write this in your notebook and in your notebook and in your textbook. Okay, write 5 plants name, then write 5 trees name and climbers name. Plants means small plants, and here trees which are big and tall, you have to write here. And climbers and creepers, both you have to write here. This is your homework. Okay students, thank you. Jazakallahu khair.